Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Cadyce USB-C to Gigabit Ethernet adapter. There is a photo of what this adapter is supposed to look like on this side of the box. However, on the other side of the box, there is a transparent window and you can see what this particular adapter is actually going to look like. And that's more or less it. There is one information over here. I'm going to read it out. It says Thunderbolt 3 port compatible. CAC3GE allows your computer embedded with USB-C port to connect the wired internet. And that's more or less it. Let's open this box and take a look inside. There is a user manual right over here. This basically shows you all the features like standard USB-C 3.1 interface, fast data transfer rate up to 10 gigabytes per second, reversible USB-C connected to plug easy, supports plug and play, no driver software is required, and supports twisted pair crossover detection and auto correction, and Thunderbolt 3 port compatible. That's more or less for all the instructions and specifications on this particular manual. And over here it's basically telling you how to do all of this. There's a small diagram over here. Now let's take a look at the adapter itself. As you can see, this is a Gigabit Ethernet adapter, which means that on one side you have USB-C, but on the other end you have a LAN port. This is your Ethernet port. So the idea is that when you want to connect, say, a device that does not have a LAN port to the internet, like a laptop or a MacBook, you can use this to do that. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Cadyce USB-C to Gigabit Ethernet adapter. Thank you for watching.